Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from a credit card to your Barclays bank account. First, open your web browser and go to barclaycard.com.uk. Log in to your Barclay online account or open the Barclay Card app. Check if you have a transfer offer available for moving money from your credit card to your bank account. Get the bank details of the UK current account you want to transfer into. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the terms and conditions. Pick the checkbox and confirm. Important reminder, transferring money from a credit card to a bank account is usually considered a cash advance. These often come with high fees and interest rates, so make sure to review your credit card's terms before proceeding. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from a credit card to your Barclays bank account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.